First of all, thanks for being here in my YouTube channel. So in this lesson number 2, we will be solving the first set of box arrangement puzzle. That is for the, especially these videos are created for the bank exam aspirants. So remember one thing, if you are preparing for the bank exams, right, recent bank exams, you know box arrangement is most important, and in the previous video itself I have told you this, what is called as box arrangement. And if you are preparing for which competitive exam, you have to watch and you have to practice these kinds of box arrangement question. And there are two category of question. One is a normal prelims level question which is equal to the floor arrangement puzzle, and another is the very hard level where you have to solve that box, find the volume, dimension, everything, and then you have to start solving the arrangement question. So now you guys already know that the first 5 questions what I'm going to teach is the prelims level box arrangement. So after the 5th question, I will be teaching you some of the mains level box arrangement puzzle. But if you are preparing for the bank exams, don't forget to watch all my 10 videos that is posting. I'm going to post specially that is based on box arrangement. So if you don't have time, don't forget to get my offline pen drive course. So you can watch all my videos offline. So without any ads, nothing, you can just like that. If you are like a complete concentration, you want to learn all the aptitude and reasoning with full of concentration, then get my offline pen drive and start watching all my videos in offline, right? So now let me move on to the first set of box arrangement question. So 8 boxes are placed one above the other. So totally there are 8 boxes, right? So what you can do here is you can make it of, first what you need to do is here it is completely based upon box, right? So box 1, box 2, box 3, etc., or else box A, B, C, etc. But what you need to do is put the numbers here. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Some students will ask me, right, usually can I write 1, 2, 3 like this? Yes, you can, right? Either you start from the bottom, right? The bottommost box is box 1, or else the topmost box is box 1, right? That is your wish, because this is not going to consider anything, because we are just for our easy understanding, we are making this as a separate note, 1 to box 8. So this box 1 act as a bottommost box, and this 8 act as the topmost box. Understood? So first point, not more than 2 boxes are placed above Q. So not more than 2 boxes above Q. So what it means that either above Q it can be 1 box, right? Or else above Q it can be 2 box. But you can't able to draw another possible. Why? Because if you draw another possible, then it will be more than 2. And in the question itself, they clearly told that above Q, not more than 2 box are above Q. Got it? So here only 1 box is there, and here only 2 boxes there, not more than 2. So next point, 3 boxes are placed between Q and T. So between Q and T there is a gap of 3 boxes. So between Q and T, so 1, 2, 3, and this will be T. So between Q and T there is a gap of 3 boxes. So similarly 1, 2 and 3, here I am placing T. Understood or not? So between Q and T in both the possible diagrams, don't hesitate to draw the possible diagram, right? If you are getting possible, you have to draw the possible diagram, right? Even if I am getting 3 possible, draw the possible diagram. Don't hesitate and don't read the complete passage for the box arrangement, right? If you are getting that is possibility, right? If we are getting more than 2 possible, immediately draw the possible diagram, you will get the answer easily. Understood, friends, right? So next thing, 2 boxes are placed between box U and box S. Okay, sorry, I think I have missed anything. No, 3 boxes are placed between Q and T. So 2 boxes are placed between U and S. So between U and S there is a gap of 2 boxes. So which is placed below T. The meaning here is which is placed below T. Just see the word carefully. 2 boxes are placed between U and S. So after S we have a small comma, right? So which is placed between below T. The meaning here is the box S is placed below T, right? So the box S is placed below T. So below T this will be S. Understood or not, right? So that U represents the box S. So this box S is placed below box T. So box T below will be box S. Remember that this word is important, which. So which represents the previous word, right? Here the box S comma, right? So you have to remember that this which represents the box S. So next point, so box U does not place immediately above box T. Just see here, box U is not immediately above box T. If it is not immediately above box T, and we already know that between U and S there is a gap of 2, and we already placed S here, so 1 and 2, this will be U. So similarly 1 and 2, so this will be U. Understood or not? So between U and S there is a gap of 2 boxes. So box P is placed immediately above box V. So immediately above box V will be box P, right? So where is that possible? I can't able to fix V here, V here, V here. I think this complete diagram is wrong, because immediately above V, the box P should be placed. If I fix V here, this should be P. No chance. If I fix V here, this should be P. If I fix V here, this should be P. This complete possible diagram is wrong, right? So I think here we have only one chance that this should be V and this should be P. So next point is, so box R is placed above box W. So box R is placed above box W and does not place above V. So it is easy, right? Only two places which we have remaining at the end. And according to the question, box R is placed above box W. So definitely this will be box W and this will be box R. Right? So P, V, Q, R, U, W, T and S. So this will be the answer for this arrangement question. Understood or not? So friends, easy, right? It is not that much a difficult level question, because set number 1 I have told you, these kinds of questions will be asked in the prelims level. But remember one thing, don't hesitate to draw the possible diagram. If you hesitate to draw two possible diagrams, by just drawing only one diagram, and if you need to get the answer, only the brilliant student can able to do that. But we are, according to me, I have seen most of the students will be like, need to solve the question fastly in the exam. Those kinds of students will definitely make a mistake. A student who follows only the smart way, like drawing two possible and then cancelling any one possible at the time, and you will get the final answer. So those students are clearing the exams easily. So be smart, don't hesitate to draw the possible diagram for the box arrangement, right? So finally, answer for this box puzzle will be, the set number 1 box puzzle will be this.